in regular courses. And so I'm going, and this was really based upon looking at the research and particularly the major advances in the past decade or two that across these three rather different areas of from cognitive psychology to basic brain research to classroom studies, particularly in the university science, college and university science classes, there's a very consistent picture between all this research that told us really what was important about achieving learning. And so I'm going to try and give you a few samples of that to sort of how I came to think about this in a very different way and how to think about teaching in a very different way. And so I'm going to start by looking at some examples of research first on the ideas about what's been seen about how experts think and learn, and then research on traditional science teaching and how well its students are, how well it's teaching expert thinking, and then some on research showing us how to do better. And okay, so it turns out cognitive psychologists have done a lot of studies of expertise, and they find that over a very wide range of discipline, academic disciplines, and even actually some athletic activities, playing chess, etc., there's a few very common, consistent characteristics of experts. The first one's no great surprise. Experts have a lot of factual knowledge in their area of expertise. But the others aren't so obvious. It turns out that experts have a unique mental organizational framework for the information that's consistent across that discipline that allows them to very effectively retrieve and apply their knowledge. And this is based on certain kind of, expert-like recognition of patterns, associations, connections, etc., which in the scientific domain usually, well, not all, I mean, part of that in scientific domain is really what we think about as scientific concepts. That's a way that experts have taken a vast amounts of different kinds of information and fit it together in a broad framework that allows them to use that information and apply it in certain ways very effectively. Now, a third characteristic